Hello, welcome to another video. Welcome to my room tour. So today, obviously, we're doing what? A room tour. I'm touring my room. That's what a room tour is. I'm gonna try to keep this video like not too long, so let's go ahead and get started. Hello, this is my door. And this is my room. Hello, Chico. Look how cute he is. He actually matches the aesthetic. Like, isn't that cute? Chico. 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 Dude, what is wrong with you? You really do not like me. Look, he's just like waiting to jump down. He's waiting to escape. Anyways, this is the back of my door, so this is what you see. Obviously, if you close the door, it's very hideous. Obviously, just my jackets. I have my little command hook here with my keys and also my name tag for work that I never wear. I have my girl right here. Her name is Taylor, of course, because she's a Taylor guitar. Such a gorgeous masterpiece. Amazing. Below Taylor, I just have my backpack down there. And then to the left, I have my little, I guess, electronics station and clothing and random things. So I have my TV hanging from the wall. In this corner, I have my printer, my MacBook, and my iPad all there. These papers are for when I do photo shoots of my lashes for my lash company. These are packages that I need to send out for my lash company. I have my PS4, my Nikon D7000 here. I have a few books that are colorful and do not match the aesthetic of that bookshelf. So they are kind of chilling over here. This is like my little colorful area, I guess. I got these bookends from the At Home store. I got this from the At Home store as well with a few of my rings on it. Juicy Couture Soiree perfume here. And then, wow, why was that so extra? Honestly, I don't know why I did that. This is Bath & Body Works 1000 Wishes, just the body spray. Why did I not know what that was? I got this jar from the At Home store, these rocks from the At Home store, and that candle from the At Home store. Hello. Isn't that cute? So like I originally got these jars to fit like my makeup brushes in with like the rocks and everything, but these rocks are not like smooth, so like I couldn't stab them in there. You need like pebbles that are actually soft. So I was like, okay, what am I gonna put in this? And I was gonna put a little plant, but then I couldn't find a plant, so I was like, oh my gosh, I can put a candle. And like honestly, how cute is that? Like that's actually cute. Like wow, I actually did that. There's me. Ignore my outfit. I'm wearing little cactus socks. Hello. What's up? Whoa. Okay, I'm done. This is my beautiful bed with my beautiful Chico, with my beautiful aesthetic thingy over my bed. So beautiful. I got my tapestry from Amazon. I also got these little string lights from Amazon. Actually, I think those are called fairy lights. I'm lying. I got this gray blanket as a gift with purchase from Ulta Booty. I don't know where I got this comforter from, but you can find white comforters literally anywhere. I got this dog from my little sister's friend who their family used to abuse him. So now we love him so much. His name is Chico. He is beautiful. Look at him. So beautiful. A majestic creature. I love him so much. Okay. This pillow is from the At Home store. This pillow is from Walmart. This pillow is from the At Home store. This pillow is from, I don't know. These pillows came with this set here. I got this neon sign from Nordstrom Rack. I really love it. I just wish it would be bigger, and also I wish this was non-existent and it was just like battery operated or something somehow, so it didn't have that. Like it would be cool if it was just kind of like hanging with no wires, you know what I'm saying? I designed all of this in my Redecorate With Me video. You can check that up there in the eye and watch a little time lapse of how I put that together. But if you didn't see that, this is from Home Depot. At home, at home, at home, at home, at home. Those books are just books that match the aesthetic. Both of those artwork pieces are from the At Home store. And then I just, you know, strung the lights like through them so it looks super cute. I think like this little area right here is my favorite part because it just looks so dang cute. Like, look at it. Amazing. Onto my little bookshelf here. This is just my wireless charger, Bath & Body Works candle. This is from my roommate in college. My first semester, she made this for me and my other roommate, and it's gray and it matches the aesthetic, so I put it there. Just a little light box sign that I change the quote every once in a while. Right now it just says, "You got this," and why is that crooked? It's triggering me. Hello. Hello. Second shelf, I have 50 Shades of Grey Trio, Don't Judge Me. I haven't even read that. I bought them from Goodwill for like 50 cents each, and yeah, they're just chilling there. Ampersand is from the At Home store. This is from Bath & Body Works. Oh yeah, by the way, the shelf itself, like the bookshelf, is from Target. It was like $20. That C is from Ross, I believe. I could be lying. I don't know where that's from actually. Probably Ross. That rock is from Earthbound, I believe. The die is from At Home. I have my Bible, my journal, and 3 other books there. At Home store, At Home store, At Home store, At Home store, and then 2 random books chilling there. This is how I decided to design like my bookshelf, and I'm pretty okay with it. Like right now, I think it looks like pretty decent. Because it's not like too cluttered. It's just kind of like there, and it's pretty aesthetic, I guess. Like the color scheme kind of matches. So yeah, I'm going with it. There's me again. What's up? Up there, that is from Five Below. That is from At Home, At Home, At Home. Wow, this is like awkward because you can like totally see. A lot of people asked me in my OG like college dorm room video, which that will be linked here as well in the eye, like where I got this mirror from. I made this myself watching a DIY video here on YouTube. And yeah, I built all of that myself. It even is like remotely controlled with this here, so I can go like these, and these, and these, and these. As far as the vanity goes, I don't really know if I like it like this, but like honestly, I really didn't know how else to do it. So I got this mirror from Wish for like $10 like many moons ago, and it's still rocking. Hey again. I got that lipstick tray from Wish as well like a long time ago. All of those are like my favorite lipsticks, or the ones that look pretty on display. I have these 2 little boxes. They're actually pencil trays. I got them from the At Home store, of course, as well as that Daydream sign. I should have cleaned my brushes before doing this, but honestly I'm really lazy. And I apologize that you have to see them being crusty. But yeah, those are my everyday brushes, my eyes, and then my face brushes. That tray is from the At Home store, of course, and then the same little candle thingy as that guy over there. And then I just have 3 like skincare, not really skincare, a lotion, a toner, and then a makeup remover right here on the tray because I cannot fit those inside these drawers here. My closet door just has my shoes on this side as well as this side. These are my more summery shoes right here on the back, and then my closet is like literally non-existently small. Okay, that didn't really make sense because it's obviously there, but you can tell it's like really small. Okay, here is my chair. I got all of this from IKEA as well as that, and I got this from Amazon. Back there is a little trash can, a space heater, and then a bunch of ugly wires, so we're gonna cover that up. These top 4 drawers are my makeup collection. You can check in the eye again for my makeup collection that I posted like literally a little bit ago, so you can like check that out. It's totally cool and it's a great time. I guess I'll show you the rest of the video. Wow, I'm done. The rest of the drawers. So this drawer is literally random stuff like binders and then random letters to go with that guy up there. I do need to change that actually, and I forgot about these, but yeah, those are there. This drawer is also random stuff. These are skincare products that are small enough to fit in this really small drawer. I have scrunchies and my little makeup headband here. I have my fan to fan myself off after I do my setting spray. hair ties, bobby pins, my brush, my comb, my face mask, my deodorant, tissue to blow my nose. OMG, these things are bomb. They are the hydro gel eye masks from the Ulta Beauty brand. They are made with real gold, literally thebomb.com. Back here I have the Body Shop, some body butters, and then in the very back there, I don't even know what that is. It's literally like random stuff back there. Like, I don't really care. The next drawer is also very random. I just have like pens and pencils here, my selfie stick, my lighters for the candle, my hammer thingy-mabob for when I build things. I have two not sunglasses, I'm dumb. These are my actual glasses. I have fake glasses and then sunglasses, electronic wires and things like that, and then electronic things in the very back. The next drawer is also random. I have stationery things in this thing here. This obviously has pencils and pens in it, index cards down there, random things, random wallet, random index cards. Back there is like a random Game Boy that still freaking works. It's amazing. And then a PSP is back there as well from my childhood. And the next drawer is my first aid section here, my nail polishes, my Crest white strips for some reason, nails when I try to do fake nails on me and my sister. And all three of these things here have pens and pencils in them. This drawer is amazing. So I actually got my stock in for Trinity Lash Co. yesterday, and then I labeled all of these styles. Like, look how freaking cute. You guys should definitely check out Trinity Lash Co. on Instagram if you haven't already. This is my lash brand. They are 3D mink eyelashes. They are beautiful. This is the style Prim. But yeah, so that's where I keep my stock for when orders come in, and then I'll just pull them out and then ship them out. I forgot to show you the drawers over here while I was over here, but we're gonna do it now. I'll probably go through these really quick. So first drawer is literally random stuff, like literally it cannot get more random than this. I don't even know what that drawer is, honestly. This one is my PlayStation stuff, and then my random like microphone little cover, and this is where I keep like my little setup that I'm using right now. More random things, so my little wallflowers, my candles for the little jar thingies over there, paper for my printer right there. This is my Trinity Lash Co. business drawer. So I have my journal that has all my ideas for Trinity Lash Co. in here. These are extra boxes. These are my business cards. These are my little frilly things for when I do orders that are pickup. Those are my greeting cards down there, and then my labels are in the very bottom. This drawer is for flowy shorts. This drawer is for cropped shirts and tank tops. This drawer is for t-shirts that are probably cropped or just regular t-shirts. This drawer is for cropped t-shirts as well, and then a couple of cropped tank tops. This last drawer is like random papers and things like that. I keep all of my receipts in this guy, and then random important papers are in there. So yeah. This top drawer of this is like underwear, bras, and shorts. This one is PJs. This one is leggings and t-shirts. By the way, like, look how cute my drawers are. If you have not seen Tidying Up by Marie Kondo or with Marie Kondo on Netflix, you definitely need to, because she explains like how to fold your clothes like this and like put them in there so you can see all of them vertically versus when they're stacked up horizontally, because then you don't even know what you have. But like this way you can see all of your clothes. It's literally the best thing, and I can fit so much more clothes when they're like this. Next drawer is workout stuff and then shorts. And lastly, I have my sweaters, and they are the like traditional way of folding, and then there's some hoodies too, because when you try to fold them vertically, like it takes up so much space, and so this like actually works better for like bigger pieces like sweaters and hoodies. But yeah, that is that drawer there. Okay, Chico, that's it. Look at his little paws, or you can't see them, but the point is that he tucks his paws like back. It's so freaking funny. Like, look at him. Like, it looks like he has no legs. It's so freaking hilarious. Like, Chico, why do you do that? This brings us to the end of my room tour. I hope you enjoyed the video. Whoa. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel. You can give this video a thumbs up. And you can follow me on my social medias, which are down below. Don't forget to follow Trinity Lash Co. That actually rhymed. Wow. Okay, that's it. Let me stop being cringy. Yeah, definitely give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Trinity Lash Co on Instagram and order some lashes because they're bomb. I'm wearing them right now, girl. This is the style royalty, like bomb AF. Look at them. Look at that eyeshadow. Zulu palette from Juvia's Place. Okay, I'm done. That's it, guys. Peace.